Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today's video, we're talking about 10 proven strategies that's going to build your authority and your audience. And if you are seasoned or you're just starting, it doesn't matter. By incorporating these into your business, you are going to explode the awareness that's out there that you exist and that you are the go-to problem solver. So let's dive right in. The first step in establishing authority is really defining your niche and identifying your expertise and passion within the holistic industry. And you'll hear me say this a lot, but it's because people don't listen, but it's so important. Specializing in a particular area will help you stand out and attract a more targeted audience. Strategy number 2 is creating that high quality, high value content. We've talked about this before. There's videos, go watch them. But it is a very important strategy in order to build that authority and build your audience. You want to engage with your audience regularly by responding to comments, messages, and emails. Address those questions and concerns and show genuine interest in their well-being. Building strong relationships fosters loyalty and encourages them to spread the word about your holistic business or say, hey, you have this problem. I know of a person. I've seen them. I've heard them. I've talked to them. I've worked with them. Step number 4 is leveraging your social media. Social media platforms are powerful tools to reach a broader audience. Identify the platforms your target audience frequents and create engaging content tailored to each one. Stay consistent and interact with your followers to build a loyal community. So don't decide to post something every day if you can't stay consistent with it. Instead, post once, twice, or 3 times a week, whatever works for your lifestyle, but make it very valuable and leverage the crap out of it. Strategy number 5 is to collaborate with influencers. You can also be an influencer yourself, but you want to collaborate with others because it just helps expand that reach. Partnering with influencers in the holistic industry can really expand that reach significantly. You want to seek out influencers whose values align with yours and collaborate on joint projects, guest posts, or social media takeovers to tap into their audience, while at the same time allowing them to tap into yours. Strategy number 6 is to offer free resources that are highly valuable. But I want you to think like Pink Spoon. Pink Spoon is little spoons they give you at ice cream shops so you can have a little taste to see if you want it. That's what you want to look at. But make sure that you're just not creating free resources for the sake of creating free resources. Have your strategy, have it as part of your client journey, have it as one baby step just to get them going and get them there. And then advertise it, post it everywhere. You don't need 10, 2 to 3 good ones that you launch quarterly. Make it be very visible, get it out there, advertise. You may even want to put some ad money behind this and put it out there on Facebook or YouTube or LinkedIn so that people see it and they start signing up for your stuff. And that all relates back to everything else we've already talked to. So free resources. This can be things such as ebooks, webinars, or guides that demonstrate your expertise and value to your client. They can entice people to sign up for that email list. That's the whole point. And your emails then foster that deeper connection. Strategy number 7 is you want to host webinars or workshops. Webinars and workshops are excellent ways to showcase your knowledge and interact directly with your audience. It offers them valuable insights, tips, and solutions to their problems. And don't forget to mention your products or services when relevant, but don't make that the majority. Majority is, here's the valuable stuff. By the way, I have this program or service offering. You do not push the service offering because then people will turn off your webinar or your workshop and they will not come back and watch another one. I'm seeing this a lot lately where it's plug you, the host. No. It's about them and it's about what's in it for them. And then the little carrot teaser of, oh, and by the way, I have this if you want to open your wallet and come spend some time with me. Strategy number 8 is getting featured as a guest on podcasts or blogs. Increasing your authority is easy when you're getting featured on relevant podcasts and guest blogs. You're going to share your expertise, your experience, and tips to reach that new audience and position yourself as a thought leader in the holistic field based on your expert positioning. Now, there is lots of people that are looking to fill their telesummits or their little challenges, if it's not aligned to you, you're going to do all this work and you're going to walk out with 0 clients. So be very picky. Make sure you ask those hard questions. Make sure that they have a proper social media reach, and make sure that you too are also promoting your stuff to support them and others. But you do not have to do every one. Make it relevant. Strategy number 9 is implement SEO strategies. This is one of the things I rarely see people do, and it's so powerful. You want to optimize your website and content using relevant keywords to improve your search engine rankings. Appearing on the first page of search results increases your visibility, authority, and chances of attracting new visitors. There is so much information and training out there on how to do this. There are many courses and classes and workshops. If you don't know how to do this, I highly recommend that you take one. And strategy number 10 is seek testimonials and reviews. People get really nervous about asking for these, but you are the expert. You have done a good job. They can say no, right? But you can request it. And you can make it really easy by giving them a testimonial template, or if they send you a fabulous email, ask if you can rewrite it into a review and then send it to them for approval. Positive testimonials and reviews from your satisfied clients can significantly impact your credibility. Encourage your happy customers to share their experiences, whether it's written testimonials or video reviews. It doesn't matter. Just start getting into the habit of collecting them. So now I want you to remember that building authority in your audience does take consistency and a bit of time. So keep at it. Build it into your weekly things to do to create that success for yourself. Practice makes perfect. When you're asking for testimonials or building out these things or being a guest, be patient and loving to yourself and stay on it. Stay dedicated to your company. Stay dedicated to your offerings, because there's people out there that need you. And in order to know that you're the one, or to get success for themselves, they have to be able to find you. They have to be able to trust you. So get on that. Enjoy it. If you liked this video or found some valuable insights, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.